Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make leaping lines. Draw the face. Make the standing lion and the face. Then the eyes. Then the nose. Then the mouth, then the mane, and the whiskers, and the body. Two legs, 3 legs, 4 legs. Draw the tail. Now the sleeping line. Make the face and the mane, and the eyes, and the eyebrows, and the nose, and the whiskers, and the mouth, and the body, and the tail, the legs and the tail. You can color your lions and make the world like in Africa. You can make trees instead. Draw the tree. Now let's color. You can color sand dark yellow. Make sure you subscribe my channel. Color the mane orange. We're going to live in guess the country. It is finished. Look, thank you for watching my video. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe.